Welcome to another episode of Health is Wealth. You know that water is one of the six classes of food and it's very, very essential because when there is no water, there is no life. So, nurse will be telling us, she'll be educating us more about water, the uses of water, why it is essential, some diseases that you can prevent with water, and diseases also that you can cure with water. Yes. So, nurse, you will tell us more about water.
Thank you. Water is life, we say, but one thing is knowing how to use water. To start with, when we talk about drinking lots of water to help us maintain good health, cold water is not good in the body. If it can be possible, nobody should be taking ice water any longer, because this cold water blocks a lot of things in the body. One, it causes blockages of the veins to the heart. Two, it causes blockages, or that is, when you take an oily food and drink cold water, it will immediately give the cold water it will make it to block, thereby blocking on the stomach lines, blocking on the heart walls, blocking on this. It will now cause be doing like that for as long as individuals own system lasts before the person comes down with one problem or the other. But here I want to talk about warm water. It is ideal you use warm water as even a drug or treatment for different illnesses. You'll be surprised to hear that warm water cures migraine. Migraine is a type of headache that is more than ordinary headache. Very excessive that the person cannot even talk. Warm water cures diabetes, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, joint pains, and a lot of other things. And once we take warm water appropriately, duration of different times, duration of different times, you will find out that that illness or ailment has been taken care of. Warm water can take care of cough, asthma, even this kidney problem. Now the question is, how do you take it to be effective? It is advisable to take 2 glasses of warm water every morning. You know, you can't just start the first day and be able to take up to 2 glasses. But when you make it a habit, from half tumbler to 1 tumbler, before it completes 2, it might be going to 1 week or 2 weeks. But the important thing is to start. At the time you get it, to be able to take 2 glasses of water
Consistent
every day for 1 month, for as long as what you are looking for, what your aim is. And once you take the 2 glasses of water early morning, you must stay without food until 45 minutes to 1 hour's time. Invariably, you should take the water in an empty stomach. During that time, it mixes up, it searches for what to flush out. You can find out that even before that 1 hour, before eating, you have started passing lots of urine. Some of these things flushes the system and the person gets healed. For example,
Can a pregnant woman also take this warm water daily?
Yes, everybody. Water is not does not have any adverse effect on anybody or any illness or any age. Water does not have any adverse effect. It does not have bad effect on anybody or any age group. This water we talk about improves appetite. It improves appetite. It treats throat pain, headache, arthritis. It improves joint pain, low blood pressure, sudden heartache, epilepsy, cough, gout pain. Gout pain is this like goiter. This
When you try to
pain,
swallow something, it's painful.
gout pain is all this pain in the chest. When you swallow something, it will pain you. These things clear it with time. It also takes care of any disease related to the uterus or women diseases. When you take these 2 glasses of water, there's a period of taking it for different illnesses. For example, when you take this water for 30 days, you're sure to have flushed out diabetes in your body. That's if you're diabetic, be taking it and be checking your sugar level. You will find out at the end of 30 days, when you take it, you find out that you are improved. The same thing goes to stomach problem. You take this water for 10 good days, you stop complaining of stomach aches and pains and whatever. These blockages of veins in the heart, you take this hot water for 6 months, then your heart will tend to be cleared. All this like sharp pain due to blockages of pain.
Can it aid in painful menstruation?
Well, it will, but you know, this hot water will also, for menses, you also take not only in the morning, then you can also have to take some analgesic depending on the severity. It's when you want to stop heartache or migraine, you take this hot water consistently for 3 good days. In uterine related problems like this menses you mentioned, you take this hot water for 10 good days. For ear, nose and throat, you take it for 10 good days. For all these women problem, you take the hot water for 15 good days. Those that have are diagnosed with cholesterol, as I mentioned, when you take cold water, these blockages, this cold water, it helps and fastens the illness of cholesterol.
Okay,
But when you take warm water for 4 months, you have taken that will melt off and you pass it out in
okay,
urine.
you're saying that once you eat oily food and you ingest cold water, there is
a bad reaction of it in the
blocks. It helps the oil in
to block and gum on the lineages, lining of the intestinal walls, thereby causing like once it continues that way, with time, the lumen, the passage of blood where blood flows will become narrow, bringing about high BP, bringing about cholesterol and other illnesses, affecting the heart, affecting many places. So with this, you understand that warm water will open up the lineages, the walls of the veins, treating cholesterol, treating high blood pressure, treating heart problem. So once you want to cure cancers, all types of cancers, continue to take warm water for 9 good months. you must be consistent with it for it to be effective. Thank you.
So you've heard that water can do a lot. That water can help save a life. Consistency is the key. You have to be religious. You have to take your warm water every morning. It's when you take it consistently that you see the results. It's not when you take it on Monday, on Tuesday, you not take it on Thursday, you take it and you expect it to work miracle. It doesn't work that way. You have to be consistent. So don't fail to take a glass of warm water today. 2 glasses of warm water. Don't fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Health is Wealth.
Thank you.